Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Yantrik Baba. Today we'll be talking about Samsung lineup. So many new phones coming up from Samsung. There is S series, there is Note series, there is J series, there is On series, there is A series, there is M series, there is T series. T series. But T series is still better than Purify. Anyway, so we will be talking about On series, which was a failure. I did not like a single phone from the entire On series. Anyway, gone are those days. Then there was J series. There was like J Max, J7, J5, J6, J2, J5 Max, J7 Max. I don't know how many phones did they have in the budget lineup. But again, that was slightly better than On series. But J series was also a failure. We did not like a single device from there. Now, this is 2019. People are going from notch to notchless, or maybe from a bigger notch to a smaller notch. Samsung is trying to catch up with the market. They are trying to compete with the likes of Redmi, Realme, and other budget phones. Now, the most premium series of Samsung is S series. Alright? And the next best after S series would be A series. Now, A series used to exist earlier also, but those were not up with the market and they were slightly overpriced. So I think the new A series which has come is a revamp of the entire A lineup. Alright, and the next one is M series. They have M10, M20, M30 and a few more M series coming up in 2019, 2020. So what do you get from this? S, A, M. Do you crack the code like Samsung, SAM and so on? Thumbs up for that. Do you think there is going to be a U series and J series as well? Because N stands for Note series, which already exists. Let me know in the comments down below. Alright, so talking about the 2019 lineup, especially M series and A series, there is A10, A20 which has come recently, there is A30, A50, A90 is also coming. That's the phone to watch out for. Talking about M series, it's M10, M20, M30. Now, out of so many phones, we have shortlisted two phones. One is the M30 and the second one is A50. Now, A50 is a 20,000 rupees phone while M30 is a 15,000 rupees phone. To pick the best of the 2019 budget lineup, Yantrik Baba says M30 is better than A50. Few of you might not agree, I'll tell you why. A50 has a better camera, like really much better camera, while M30 has much better battery. So yeah, one advantage there, one advantage here. But the second advantage is this is priced at 15,000 versus that at 20,000. So this is the winner in my opinion. Let's unbox this device right now and show you the features of M30. So here is the new box. This is Samsung M30 and we'll be opening the seal pack box. This is Indian SIM card only as it mentions. So you'll have to use Indian SIMs in the beginning. Alright, here is the box. And the first thing is some documentation. Some warranty card and user manuals over here. Let's keep this aside. There you go, there's the phone. This is the blue gradient. We have gray gradient to compare with blue as well. There you see a very nice blue color. Blue over here, almost dark blue, blackish tinge. So this is the gradient is what they call. Moving ahead, there's a type C port There is a fast charger which comes in the box. There is a SIM ejector tool and absolutely nothing else. So now we have the blue and the grey gradient next to each other. You can look at the difference in these two colors. The gradient is same, but there's blue and grey on the top of it. From the front, they all look similar. There's no difference in these devices whatsoever. We have set this device up and this is yet to be set. That's why you can say this. Although the first thing that you would like in M30 is the screen. Look at how vibrant the colors are. There is a U-type notch, which is common in all the M series currently, and there's triple camera behind. The first one is a 13 megapixel shooter primary. There is a 5 megapixel wide angle and there's a 5 megapixel depth sensor. A50 also has on-screen fingerprint which is really slow and it lags a lot. While the M30 fingerprint sensor is a conventional rear mounted sensor which is really fast, and I personally prefer fingerprint mounted on the rear side than on the front side. It just makes the operation a lot quicker. The fingerprint sensor is located a little bit on a higher side. We wish it was somewhere near the Samsung logo because then that becomes very easy to operate. This one is a little too high. You literally have to hold your device like this to operate the sensor. Anyway, Samsung is known to misplace their sensors. So how do you like this video, guys? Do you think M30 is really the best one in 2019 from Samsung budget series? Or do you think A50 or any other phone is better than this? Let me know in the comments down below. Please help us give a thumbs up if you like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now. Click on the bell icon. This will really help us grow. We're trying to come with a lot more videos in 2019, just like Samsung.